It's one thing to have straight hairs and it's another thing to know how to maintain them. So in this video, I'll be teaching how to maintain your straight wigs at home.
She's a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, she's one of a kind.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olari Airline, where we talk about all about hairs and wigs. So if you're new to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And kindly leave a comment under this post and like this post. Thank you. So let's get straight to the business. So as well as our straight hairs, your straight wigs, so I'm going to be teaching you how to maintain and style them yourself at home. So firstly, what you need to have as a wig owner, if you have a straight wig at home, is a mannequin head to store your wig, to be able to hang your wig, or a wig hanger. There are different types of wig hanger which I will be showing on top of these videos. So maintaining them requires firstly that mannequin head. So this one is a dome wig head I have here. You can also get a mannequin head. So this is how a mannequin head look like. So if you have something like this, you can use it to hang your wig and maintain your wig, and it will remain straight and silky the way you want it. Then you can also have a wig hanger, like I said earlier. There are different types of wig hanger. So also, one thing you should also have is your comb, rat tail comb. You need a rat tail comb to be able to style your wigs. So if you have your silky straight wig at home, you maintain it with your rat tail comb. So it really helps to comb the hair and style it and give it that smooth look. But if you don't have it, you can also use your airbrush. But I always like the feel of a rat tail comb on a straight hair because it gives it that silk press on it. Give it that straight look that I want. That's why I always use the rat tail comb for my hair. So another tool you need to maintain your straight wig is your straightener. So alongside with your straightener makes your hair look very silky. When you straighten your hair, it makes very neat and very fine. So alongside with your straightener, you need your heat protectant spray. This is protectant to be able to protect the hair from burning out while you're straightening the hair. Then also you need your wax stick. So wax stick goes alongside with your hot comb. So as you apply the wax stick on your straight hairs, the closure area, you use your hot comb to press it down, which will give it that very lovely look at the long run when you're done with styling your wig. And also when you're done with styling your wig, you need your hair serum. This is a product of Ludaus. There are different brands of hair serum you can get. So this is a product of Ludaus. It helps to maintain the hair very well. It makes the hair very silky and very lovely, and it gives that very fine shine you need on your hair. So it's not just enough for us to just have that straight wig and you'll not be able to maintain it. It's not just enough. It won't make your hair look very good. So the most important part of having a straight wig is the maintenance. Maintenance is very important for a straight wig, or it will just spoil and you will not like the outlook of it at long run. It's not just enough to just stock up your wig inside your wardrobe or just inside a bag. I have my wig, I should have a straight wig, and just pick it up anytime you need it. You have to maintain it and make it look very good whenever you want to wear it. If you love this video so far, kindly give it a thumbs up by liking the post and also leave a comment under this post. And don't forget, most importantly, subscribe to our channel. We love you. Thank you.